happens next?
All right, folks, eyes left, sneaking in. Our CT-155 Hawk. The CT-155 was selected for the NATO flying training in Canada, also known as the NFTC program, because of its similarities to frontline fighter aircraft. Student pilots graduate from the CT-156 Harbor 2 to this highly advanced jet trainer. Its Rolls-Royce turbofan engine generates more than 6,000 pounds of thrust and powers the jet to supersonic speeds. The Hawk's sophisticated glass cockpit features a heads-up display, hands-on throttle and stick controls, as well as integrated navigation and targeting systems. With its superior technology, the jet can perform a wide range of high-performance training missions. Canada is not alone in selecting this modern trainer. The British Royal Air Force and 14 other countries rely on the Hawk to prepare their pilots for combat. There he is, right at Show Center, giving you a bottom side pass. In the front seat today, piloting the CT-155 Hawk, is Captain Shao Shan Shim, call sign Deadeye. He is a member of the Republic of Singapore Air Force. He has 15 years in service, flying the F-16 Fighting Falcons. He's also currently an instructor pilot at NFTC out of Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. He has more than 2,000 hours of flying experience and over 1,000 hours on the CT-155 Hawk. He is looking forward to possibly flying the F-35 sometime soon. In brackets here in his notes, he said, if possible. Coming in from the left, another look at the CT-155 Hawk. Looks like to me he's deployed the landing gear and extended the flaps to give us what we call the dirty pass. We call it this because there's so much drag out there in the wind. And he's going to bring that Hawk down to probably its slowest speed that it can do and still remain flying. The slow speed pass by the CT-155 Hawk. Obviously, Deadeye trying not to be outdone by the F-35 later on this afternoon as that Rolls-Royce jet engine comes to life. In the back seat is Julian Wong. He's also a member of the Republic of Singapore Air Force. He has 3 years in the service. He's currently a student pilot training in NFTC out of Moose Jaw and aspires to be an F-16 pilot. He'd like to thank his family for their love and support despite being miles and miles away back home in Singapore. NFTC students train on the Hawk during the program's final stage. Once they've logged 125 flight hours, Canada's student fighter pilots are ready to join 410 Squadron, the operation training unit, which flies the CF-18 Hornet. Of course, the NFTC also trains foreign pilots and prepare them for flying other fighter jets like the F-16 Viper that we talked to you about just a few moments ago. Another high-speed pass from our right this time. I think that Hawk is aptly named, isn't it? That distinctive screech as he goes by reminds me of the actual Hawk. Unique sound, that aircraft. Give you an idea of the size of the airplane. It's over 12 meters long, wingspan of just over 9 meters. It weighs empty about 4,300 kilograms. If you're wondering what that means, that's basically the weight of the aircraft itself without the pilots inside or the oil or fuel or anything else that you might be packing onto the Hawk. Has a maximum speed of Mach 1.2. One more time, folks, this time from our left, the Royal Canadian Air Force CT-155 Hawk. What did you folks think of the CT-155 Hawk? Did you enjoy that? Do you like some more Airshow?